Let me show you a few more crystal candy that aren't going to make the cut. So this is a Biscoff crystal candy. It's got some gooey Biscoff in the center there. Now I've made this flavor before and it turned out really well, but for whatever reason, this one just didn't turn out as well. Now I gave this one to my friend to try yesterday and she agrees. I only want the best crystal candies to make it to my customers. So these guys are unfortunately not going to make the cut.